Welcome students to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to find the three basic measures of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode, using Microsoft Excel. First, we can see here that we have a data set on age where we have 20 observations on age. First, we want to find the mean age. For that, we have to enter equal sign here, and always remember that while we want to write any functions inside Excel, at first we need to enter or press equal sign before that. So after entering the equal sign, write average, select this function, and after that we have to select the numerical values, close the bracket and hit enter. So 67.215 is the mean age. Next we want to find the median. Again press equal sign, then write median, select the median. We can select these options by using the tab key as well from the keyboard. Then select the numerical values, close the bracket, hit enter. So 65.2 is median. The next thing is mode. So for mode also, press equal sign, write mode. Here we have to select mode.SNGL or single, which will return only a single mode. Then select the numerical data, close the bracket, hit enter. So 65.2 is the mode. This is the three basic functions to find out the mean, median, mode using MS Excel. I think this is video is helpful for you all.